Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the title block. The title block, again, it's up to designer preference. Sometimes they're very large and very ornate. Sometimes they're more simple. But let's talk a little bit about the information that you can find in the title block. In this drawing, the title block is very simple, and it's located in this in the upper right-hand corner. They're usually pretty easy to find, right? They're not hidden. And inside of the title block, you'll have the name of the show, right? In this place, it's the Cab Light Lab plot, right? And it's also associated with the programming class of 2022. The scale is important. Light plots are drawn in scale so that we can take measurements and so that we understand that everything can fit in the space. We want a drawing that is representational of what the physical space is so that we can tell where we should put the lights and how many we can put and how many will fit and whether they line up with the scenery or the scene or the people where we want them to be. So there is always a scale. Typically the scale of a light plot is 1/2 inch equals 1 foot. So if I am measuring 1/2 inch on the drawing space, that actually is equal to 1 foot in real life. Different scales are used sometimes. Sometimes they're 1/4 inch. Those are difficult to read. Sometimes they're 3/8 inch, which is somewhere in between, but is also kind of a challenge to measure. More often than not, it's 1/2 inch equals 1 foot. And more information that might be in the title block is going to be the designer's name, right? Who did the design? In this case, different people are going to be designing on this light plot, so that's been omitted. The theater or the venue is often listed, the date that the drawing is done, and if there have been any revisions or changes. This is all information that you can find somewhere in the title block. And we'll talk more about the light legend in the next video.